Hello today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the AKIYO projector. This is a projector, a mini LED projector by AKIYO Tech. Easy our steps. This is the AKIYO 01. This is a mini projector and it supports 1080p. It supports if you buy an HDMI adapter, iPhone or Android smartphones. It's a projector with a projector tripod. A tripod is included. It's a stand included. We have a portable movie projector here for home theater and of course for outdoor use. But it's not waterproof, okay? So take it only in the summertime. It's compatible with, if you have an adapter, iOS and Android. It's compatible with a laptop via HDMI or USB, television stick, HDMI, PlayStation, Xbox, and all other consoles out there. And the AKIYO upgraded the projector 01 with a Wi-Fi model. So if you like a Wi-Fi, you can buy the upgraded one. Here it's the mini LED projector AKIYO 01. This is without Wi-Fi. But if you connect, for example, an Xbox on it by using HDMI port, of course, you can use there the Wi-Fi connectivity, and then it's smart, really smart, with a different method to connect. The device is a projector at any time. It comes with a native 720p resolution. The AKIYO can use 1080p HD material and support this with the mini LED projector itself, but the projector itself has a native resolution of 720p. This is HD ready, but this is a standard or a good choice in this price range because it's a mini cheap projector. So we can transfer high definition images and superb color brightness. This provided by a 100 ANSI brightness level and a 2000:1 contrast ratio. This giving us the greatest video experience. The mini projector will work best in a dark environment, of course, because it's so small. The size of the mini projector is only 5.35 to 4.33 to 2.28 inches, which is the size of 2 Coke cans. It's small enough to fit in our pocket or bag. The projector weighs only 420 grams, this making it easy for even a small child to hold it. The elegant design makes it ideal for vacation. The multiple input sources interfaces to meet our different equipment needs. Available is HDMI, AV, USB, and a 3.5mm audio output jack. It's compatible with personal computer, Fire Stick, PlayStation, Xbox consoles, multi-device connection, one-click connection. It can easily meet our daily needs. And a big screen and a low noise. This mini projector supports a projection screen size of 32 up to 120 inches. And the best projection distance is only 3.28 feet up to around about 10 feet. The projector screen can be reduced to 75% by adjusting the screen without moving the mini projector. The improved mini projector has the most up-to-date high-efficiency cooling technology, which produces 50% less fan noise, and it is far quieter than other projectors on the market. Dolby sound is not supported with the mini projector, so you can connect on it, of course, external sound system, that's possible, or you use the internal sound system as you like. We have the projector, a tripod, a power cable, a remote, and HDMI cable included. We have on the projector itself, left, right, OK button, up, menu button, down, signal button, and power button. It's really easy. You have a remote too. There you have a play and pause button, a power button of course, fast reverse, fast forward, a mute button, left, right, up, down, OK, back button, signal, source button, volume up, volume down, and menu. We have an IR spot on the backside of the mini LED projector. We have a power supply on it, audio out, HDMI, AV, USB, keystone correction, and focus wheel. With the focus wheel, we can make it sharper. The keystone correction, we can rotate our picture on the wall. It's a nice, tiny, little, sweet mini LED projector. We plug the power cord into an outlet. We take off, of course, the lens cover. Then we press the power button to turn on the projector. We press the source button or the V to select the input sources. And then we adjust the screw bracket. We adjust the keystone and focus the wheel to get a clear image. And then we can connect our device to the projector. For example, iPhone or iPad, an official Lightning digital AV adapter is required, or an USB-C for iPhone 15. And the same thing you can use with Android too. A USB-C to HDMI adapter, Miracast dongle for projector is required for this. This is not included, so you can buy this separately. And then we have a project distance and screen size. For example, 30 degrees is 35 inches, 71 inches, 60, 98 inches away from the wall, for example, nearly 100 inches, it's 80 inches screen size. And it goes up to 230 inches away from it. There's a 180 inches big screen on it. Really cool. The distance is from only a little bit to a big range. The image technology is LCD. The light source is a light emitted diode. The native resolution is 1280 to 720. Supported resolutions are 1080p, 1080i, 720, 576, 480p, and 480i. The lamp life is about 50,000 hours. The aspect ratio is 4:3 or 16:9. This is standard today. The throw ratio is 1.1 to 1. The project distance from 1 up to 4.5 meter. The screen size from 30 up to 180 inches. It's big. Focus is manually by rotating. Keystone is plus minus 20 degrees. Input is HDMI USB AV audio output. The built-in speaker is 3 watt for ohm. The projector input voltage is a DC 21 volt A 1.8 ampere. The power adapter voltage goes from AC 100 volt up to 240. That means it's an international style, baby. 50 and 60 hard. The weight is only 0.931 pound. The dimensions are 5.4 to 3.5 to 2.8 inches. We can use image formats BeepMap, JPEG, JPG, and PNG. Audio formats MP2, MP3, PCM, FLAC, WMA, AAC. Video formats AV, MP4, MKV, Movie, 3GP, MPEG-I, MPEG-2, H.264, and X-Video. The installation type is front, rear, or ceiling. The mount screw size is an M4, so you can use different kind of tripods to attach this AKIYO Mini LED projector or one onto it, and then you can have fun with it. It's really easy. It's a beginning nice mini projector for beginners or for vacation, for on business trips, to project this at a party or something else. Really cool because we can connect the latest consoles on it, for example, or with an adapter we connect our smartphones and tablets too. This is the AKIYO 01. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!